I'd like to record this before I forget. Today, I just wanted to talk about why people don't exactly achieve what they want to. Um, Usually people think that they don't believe in themselves, and in a way, they don't. But again, I've been talking a lot about energy and how you direct it. I think that what ends up happening when people try something new is people experience a lot of tension because when you're experiencing something new, you're at a level of conscious incompetence. So every single step has to be thought out on a conscious level, and everything that is done on a conscious level consumes a lot of energy in your body. It's known that you only have so much glycogen in your brain to do the things that you need to every day, and that's why everything becomes automatic for you. When you get in a car, you believe and you know you can do it because you're very competent at it. So when you start something new, it's very tough. And in fact, the very beginning of it would be when you're trying to. Hold on, guys, 1 second. See, at the beginning, you're trying to sit with the idea of your goal, but you haven't even thought it through yet. So you have to still envision it, but it's so hazy. And as you're fleshing it out, you're experiencing a lot of tension. It's not immediately rewarding and satisfying to sit there and think of a large, gigantic goal. To sit still with your thoughts. So you get anxious and then you're like, oh, fuck it. I'm done. Uh, so at the beginning, it's not that people don't really believe they can do it. In a way, they don't, because it's completely new and it's very hard when you're starting something new. The reason is because people have a difficult time sitting with the anxiety that comes with doing something new. So, as you're envisioning your new goal, just know it's going to take a lot of time to really flesh out what it is you want. But if you stick with it and you feel yourself getting excited about it, that's creative imagination receiving the ideas. And the law of attraction says like attracts onto like. You stick with this thought and like will attract onto like until eventually it becomes a force of its own and it operates automatically. You're not consciously creating this goal, you are the person achieving this goal.